Hi, and welcome to Panda Bamboo Tech, the channel all about Microsoft certifications. Getting a Microsoft certification can be a total game changer for your career, but let's be real, the cost can be a major hurdle. So what if you could do it for free? In this explainer, we are going to talk about how to get Microsoft certified for free, breaking down all the legitimate ways to do it at zero cost.
Okay, first things first, we absolutely have to clear up the biggest point of confusion out there. You see free certification thrown around all the time, right? But what does that actually mean? Getting this one distinction right is the key to unlocking everything else we're going to talk about today. So on one hand, you've got Microsoft Learn, which has this incredible, massive library of top-notch training courses, and they're all free. This is fantastic for building your knowledge. But just finishing a course doesn't get you that official credential. For that, you need an exam voucher. Think of it like a concert ticket. The learning is the album, but the voucher is what gets you into the show. And getting that ticket for free is what this is all about.
All right, so where are these free exam vouchers hiding? It's not a myth, I promise. You just have to know the right places to look. So let's dive into the first, and honestly, the biggest opportunity that's available to pretty much everyone.
A few times a year, usually tied to their big conferences like Ignite or Build, Microsoft runs these skills challenges. The best way to think of them is like global learning sprints. You complete some specific training modules on Microsoft Learn, and your reward for finishing is a completely free exam voucher. It's awesome. And just to give you an idea of the scale we're talking about here, for its recent 50th anniversary AI Skills Challenge, Microsoft gave away 50,000 free exam vouchers. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't some small little giveaway. It's a massive opportunity to get certified in a super hot field like AI for free.
The process itself could not be simpler. You register, you start the learning modules, and then you claim your voucher. But listen up, because here's the real pro tip. A lot of the time, you don't even have to finish the entire challenge. In many cases, just registering and completing one single module is enough to qualify for that free voucher.
Now, the key thing to remember is that these challenges are always on a clock. They're time limited. For example, a recent one ran from April 8th to May 28th. You have a very specific window to act, so it is absolutely crucial to register early and pay close attention to those deadlines. And we're not talking about some obscure certifications that nobody cares about either. The vouchers typically cover really high-demand exams like AI Fundamentals, Azure Fundamentals, Security Operations, and even the Power BI Data Analyst Cert. These are exactly the kind of credentials that make a resume stand out. Skills challenges are great, but they're temporary. So you might be wondering, what if there was an ongoing, permanent way to get free certs? Well, if you're a student, there is. This next method isn't a limited time offer, it's a constant benefit. The key here is the Microsoft Learn Student Hub. If you have a valid academic email from your school, you can get access to a portal designed specifically to give you free certifications. It's a continuous program for building skills while you're still in school. It's amazing.
And this program is the whole package. You don't just get the free learning paths. You get free practice resources and a free exam voucher for each of the main fundamentals exams: Azure, AI, data, you name it. For students, this is probably the best deal in tech, period.
Okay, but what if you're not a student and you just missed a skills challenge? Are you out of luck? Not at all. There are still ways to get certified for a massive discount, even if it's not completely free. There are a few different programs to watch for. Things like virtual training days or 30 days to learn it challenges can net you a 50% discount. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can take beta exams for new certifications and get a staggering 80% off. Let's focus on the most common and reliable one: virtual training days. Microsoft Virtual Training Days are free, multi-hour online training sessions led by actual instructors. Simply by attending one of these events, you'll get a voucher for 50% off the corresponding certification exam. It's a fantastic way to get expert-led training and a half-price exam voucher all at the same time. Okay, so getting a free voucher is step one, but step two is actually passing the exam. Let's look at the free official tools Microsoft gives you to make sure you're ready and confident on exam day. And don't ever make the mistake of thinking free means low quality. Major organizations like the Bank of Canada use the Microsoft Learn platform as a core part of their internal training strategy. This is enterprise-grade material that you have complete access to. And this right here is a complete game changer. Microsoft now offers official practice assessments directly on the Learn platform. These are not third-party knockoffs. They are created by the very same team that develops the real certification exams. The benefits here are just huge. These assessments are completely free, you can take them as many times as you want, and they give you a really realistic overview of the style and difficulty of the actual exam. It's the absolute best way to assess your readiness, build your confidence, and pinpoint any knowledge gaps you need to fill before you walk into that exam. Okay, we have just covered a ton of options: free vouchers, student programs, big discounts, and prep tools. So let's put it all together. Here's a simple cheat sheet to help you decide which path is the right one for you.
It really just boils down to this. If you're a student, use the student program. It's always on and it's a no-brainer. For everyone else, skills challenges are your top priority for a 100% free voucher. And as a reliable backup, virtual training days will always get you that 50% discount. A globally recognized certification is now more accessible than ever before. The path to your next promotion or that new career is officially open, and it doesn't have to cost you a thing. So the only question left is, which skill will you master first?